How to enable 2FA on your Fortnite. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily enable the 2FA method on your Fortnite. So first thing, head over to your Epic Games application or any of your browser to web application. In this case I have a application. So once you're inside here, simply click on your profile section and head over to your account button over here. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page, as you can see here, and inside here you just need to click on password and security option, and to verify it will ask you to confirmation code. Simply click on continue, and as you can see it has sent me 6-digit code to confirm it's me. Let me just confirm it. So once you enter your code, it will ask you to about the authentication app and SMS. So choose your way of method for the two-factor authentication. So I will simply use as SMS method, and in this case I'll just use my phone number over here. And once you do that, you are good to go. And that's exactly how you can enable the two-way factor authentication on your Fortnite application. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.